Welcome back to News Night. So the process to select the 7th judge of the Supreme Court is drawing to a close with the final day of interviews set for tomorrow. Justice Nduma Nderi and lawyer Dr. Nyaberi Patrick Nyaberi were interviewed by the Judicial Service Commission, that's JSC, each defending their qualifications for the position. Justice Nderi was put to task to make his submission on regional and ethnic balance in the judiciary, and Nyaberi had to defend his position on LGBTQ rights.
With just 1 day left for the Judicial Service Commission JSC to conclude the process of selecting the nominee who will be the 7th judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Nduma Nderi was first to appear for the second time before the JSC commissioners to defend his interest for the position after also being interviewed for the position of the Chief Justice. Justice Nderi cited his 31 years of experience in the judiciary, expertise in labor matters, integrity, and competence that make him the most suitable for the post. When tasked by Acting Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu and High Court Judge David Majanja to explain the role the Supreme Court plays in the event of a presidential election dispute, Nderi gave his submissions on election petitions.
The Supreme Court, especially dealing with the presidential disputes, election disputes, in a timely and just manner, to avoid matters which might be disruptive to our economy, in giving proper advisory opinions as and when called upon. He
was further put to task to explain his stance on regional and ethnic balance in the judiciary.
If those figures were there and understood, then people would understand why there has never been a person from Embu, for example, in the Court of Appeal. And they would understand why people from other communities are occupying leadership positions at different levels within the judiciary. And we would see whether we are well distributed.
Lawyer Justice Patrick Nyaberi also cited his 30-year experience in legal practice as what makes him most suitable for the position.
The only problem that is facing this judiciary is the road on which justice travels. That's the only problem. The problems of corruption, the problems of backlog are not systemic problems. They are problems arising out of this narrow road.
Acting Chief Justice Mwilu pointed out discrepancies in the CV he submitted and further questioned why he had not applied for the position of Chief Justice instead. Senior Principal Magistrate Evelyn Olwenda put him to task over his stance on LGBTQ rights.
Insofar as I'm concerned, homosexuality is an abomination. I want to say that.
Lawyer Alice Yano, Justice William Ouko, and Justice Joseph Sergon will appear before JSC for the final interviews tomorrow. Dorcas Wangera, Citizen TV, Nairobi.
So let's